There are all kinds of musical instrument accessories displayed in the showroom of Kingbest Company. Music stand, mobile phone piano holder, stand, and bench stool. There are also guitar stands and accessories. Now comes the process from cutting to welding of iron pipe pillows on the production line. This machine is an iron pipe cutting machine. Do you hear the crisp and loud sound of iron pipe? Because manual welding often has different quality and efficiency problems. The use of machines instead of human welding stones causes different quality phenomena. Danger of public security. Speed and efficiency have also improved quality, stability, and product competitiveness. You can now see that the welding quality of iron pipe and there are no uneven problems. After the paint is baked, the production line starts to assemble and ship. The goods will arrive and start loading at the expected time. Looking forward to the customer's next order.